Every season I'm ballin'. Brody walk down like he Kimbo. He hopping out the little shots out the window. I'm from the 2 drippin' sound like Lorenzo. Little nigga Glock when he make him look tenfold. He posted up on the back strip, flipping that work. He do semis and front flip. We put your bro on the run list. Soon as that work coming in and touchdown, I'ma punt it. It's gone.
Alright, what's up everyone? Today we're going to get a special bike. My man Oneway Jeff, he helped me out in the situation where I went to jail, all that type of shit. If y'all seen the video, y'all know, but my man, I gifted him the bike and he said we should keep the bike in the family, so I figured I'd buy the bike back from him, and y'all will see what we got going on right now. Alright man, here's the bike right here, 2006 CR85. Now I already loaded the bike up and everything because I already knew what the bike was. It was my bike, everything like that. But right now we're gonna pay the man for the bike. You already, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, like I was saying, I had my situations. I gifted him this bike, right? And then of course we wanted to keep the bike in the family, so I told him I'd get it back. This bike was a gift. I missed my man's birthday 2 years in a row, so I figured the right thing to do was to help my man out with the bike and everything. But of course, since he wanted to get rid of it, I had to buy that pup back. Had to keep it around. I know a lot that's done to this bike. Like I put fresh tires on it. Of course they're broken in now. It has a shorty on it. He put a new stock.
I was gonna say that was the one issue with it too.
Yeah.
It had a crack like up here in the pipe.
We have the joint too. We can show you. All right.
Cool. Oh yeah,
See, I already knew. But yeah, you can see there's a crack in the front pipe, so that's why we had to take that off. And I couldn't figure out. I thought the bike needed a rebuild or something. So I'm like, man, fuck this bike. I'm trying to get rid of this shit. So I had it for sale, of course. But then, you know what I'm saying, to look out for my man, I was like, you know what? This is only the right thing to do. And it was crazy. It's crazy because like I never planned this shit. Like previously, anything like that. I never planned this shit previously, nothing. I'm on the plane getting deported back to the USA. And I'm like, man, I'm just giving him that bike. I don't give a fuck. So that's what I did, you know. And then of course we figured out the problem, everything like that. So
that joint hit now.
Yeah.
That joint hit now.
Yeah. So pretty much we're gonna take it to the lot, whatever.
I was planning on doing a full bust down and cleaning everything and rebuilding everything and making everything good again.
Hell
I
yeah.
feel like bro could probably do a better job at it for real. So
Sure.
we're gonna see what he do.
You think it need like a top end or anything?
No, the piston was cool because remember
Yeah,
I
you
took
seen
this off.
it.
Yeah, when I took this pipe off, I looked up into the cylinder. If y'all don't know, whenever y'all take y'all pipes off a two-stroke, no diddy. You can see into the cylinder, and you can see if your top end is good and all that.
I had a new stator cover. It had new plastics. What else did I have on it?
Don't come at me in the comments because the bike dirty, y'all. I know it's dirty. We know it's dirty.
No, yeah, we already know what it was. You feel me? Like, it ain't nothing. What else? Shifter. We did a new shifter. Might need to be tightened or something.
Definitely need to be tightened. Because I remember when I was riding the one time,
it got loose.
The whole sprocket, like the whole shit came off, bro. Shit. I put a new sprocket, a new clip on there, a new everything. The whole sprocket came right off the shifter.
See right there.
I'm about to put this back in the car.
See the stick. Oh yeah. But yeah, man. You see the bike got everything stock except for the plastics. But that's cool, you know. We'll handle that. But we're gonna clean this thing up. We're gonna head to the lot right now. But we'll clean it up in the future. I'm saying title right here, all that. But we're just gonna get right to it. You know what I'm saying?
Oh, the clutch don't stay, the choke don't stay out.
Yeah, it's good though. It's because it's cold. The choke don't stay on, so you know you gotta hold it like that. Alright, now we're testing the bike out. See the performance. Huh? Damn, what front tire am I there? want to get on? Get on. We put way too much play in this bit. I'm ready to see if I got something. Damn, I can't even get the kickstart. Shit. What?
What?
What'd you say?
Do you need a video recorder?
No, not right now.
Oh, you okay?
Yeah, I'm good.
What are you doing?
Loosening something. I need a wheel bearing. Maybe linkage bearing. I think I'm out of gas. Yeah. You ready?
Yeah, real quick. Only just like.
Huh?
My helmet? Do I need it? My mask would be nice if it's in there.
Yeah, your mask is in here.
Do I need like gloves and shit? I'm really
There's
only
gloves
going
right there.
real quick. I have mine. I'm just saying, like, I'm only going. No shoes is crazy though. Look like a dickhead.
Huh?
Look like a dickhead.
No, he's
Out
good.
in public this time.
Hmm?
Huh?
This could be part of the noise. So this could be part of the noise. Where your shoes at? Where your shoes at?
Home.
Home?
I thought I said I thought I was chilling in the truck the whole time.
Huh?
I thought I was just gonna chill in the truck the whole time.
Hey, I should check if we have gas. I should check if we have gas. Oh yeah, we got some.
Ride it real quick.
You heard?
What?
Bike.
What bike?
Are you gonna get the other bike or?
You're not wearing no shoes?
No, my slides are gonna fall off.
Alright, we going light then. One more.
No, I'm gonna get back off.
Yeah, we will. Yeah, I know. I gotta tune this bike. I gotta tune the bike.
Okay, I'm meow. Hey, my shoes are on the other side.
What was
Go, opposite sides.
That shit like this.
Might just be cool.
What you think is lean?
A little pop.
It's lean or rich?
No, it's you can't tell, bro.
It's just a pop.
A little pop when you trapping.
It hit. It sound good. It's just a like here and there.
You the same shit you felt. We gonna figure this shit out.
That shit like Turtle 21, but not as bad. Turtle 21. That's
You think I should put the jets up there? Alright, so I got stock jets in there now. You don't know shit about this shit.
I